Hey guys, so this is a quick little video on what I've done, just the small little things that I didn't think to pull my phone out. It's the small stuff. If you guys want, let me know. I can go back in depth and show you guys step by step what to do. I've recently done the center console for park reverse neutral drive, the light work burnt out. I did that. Finished the body lift mount for the shifter for the four-wheel drive. I've relocated the air pump. I'll show you guys that here. What I'm currently actually working on is a rear license plate frame. I'll show you guys that. So this here's the rear license plate frame. The lights for it that go up inside there, they just kind of sit in here, as you can see the little grooves. So to remove that, you have a screw here, screw there, and a couple pins. So you can see here, you got one pin there, another one right there. You got a bolt that goes here, a bolt that goes there. And I believe you have another pin right there. You gotta push that out. So there is a few. The funny thing is, a couple years ago, we were parting these out. These Suzukis and Trackers and Grand Viteras and XL7s and all that. And I'll show you guys this here. So we got the paint pen there. I wiped it off a little bit. It says OVA. And that is something I wrote on a lot of our parts after we had several issues with people saying the parts that we sold weren't good, they were untested, blah blah blah. So we started marking them with OVA. That way we didn't have to take them back out of good faith, right? And unless it says that, we weren't touching them. Funny thing is, I guess I sold that part 5 years ago to a previous owner of the ZR2 Tracker. So kind of something cool. I'm linked back to it, making my money back even better, eh? Here's the air pump. I'll show you guys. I relocated it now from behind the bumper. So normally it just bolts onto the back of the bumper right around here. Right here, I think I'm actually on one of the bolt holes. So you got your air lines that run there, and it goes up, comes through here. I got it zip tied up here. I got 2 extra chunks of hose, and I bent it, and there's actually a hole below the air box. So I just anchored it there, bent this tab here, and it's not actually hitting any lines with the housing. The wiring works there. So that's all rerouted, reconnected. Nothing should be snagging that, ripping it off now. So it was just a little tinker day. I mean, just need to finish things up sometimes. You start 1,000 projects, you finish 2. So here's the interior. So I swapped out a XL7 console. So I got 4 cup holders there instead of the front 2 in a storage compartment. Right here, I did lose a cigarette lighter, or a charge port, whatever you want to call that. So that, my plan is to reroute it and run it into the rear of the car. Doing that, I also put a piece of copper pipe in here, and I now have a full-length four-wheel drive shifter again. So the 2-inch body, right, you gotta extend that. So that's a few of the little things I've done here. I gotta finish up the rear bumper for the body lift, and just this small stuff now. So we should be getting out soon. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick little update. Unfortunately, it is a project you can't just go wheeling anymore. Out where we are in the Fraser Valley, there's been a lot of slides, trees down, wind, rain. We've had it all lately. This has been a brutal winter for us for storms. A lot of the trails that we do are small as they are. I mean, I took the Sonoma down trails I probably shouldn't have. Go back and watch some of those videos. A lot of it wasn't filmed at the time. So the Tracker is going to take us to more places, tighter places, and we should be able to do more. I just need to get it to where I can feel comfortable. And with the bumper and everything, the winch, we should be there. I'll show you guys the bumper here in a second when we get to it. So I got the bumper mounts there, and the bumper's back freshly from getting powder coated. So that's the bumper there. That's going to go on the tracker, along with, you can see in here, I got some synthetic cable there, and there's the winch. So we will be running that. That is a 10,000 pound Smittybilt winch on that bumper, and hopefully that will get us in and out of anywhere we decide to be stupid and go. So with that update, enjoy, stay safe, subscribe, like, and have a good night.